the first thing you want to do is to import a rectangle. Then click on Move and Transform. Then increase the size to your desired shape. You can also click on Edit Shape to work on the size on X-axis or Y-axis. Okay. The next thing you want to do is to bring in the picture or the video that you want to crop. I also want you to know that this method can work on pictures, can work on videos. If the videos are horizontal, it will work. If the videos are vertical, it will also work. So in this tutorial, I'm using a picture. Here is my picture. The picture seems to be too big. So I'm going to click on Move and Transform to reduce the size. Another thing you must take note is the video or the picture that you are using. The layer has to be below the rectangle. So click and switch their positions. So you can see now that the rectangle is in front of the picture that I'm using or the picture that I want to crop. The next thing you want to do is to highlight the picture. Then highlight the rectangle by pressing right here. The next thing you want to do is to create a group. Before you do that, you can see on the top of your screen, you can see there are 3 boxes here. Choose the middle one. Now you have created a group mask. You can see that the picture is taking the shape of the rectangle. But it looks like our future is not very well arranged inside the rectangle. So to resize or rearrange the picture or the video that you will be using, click on the group mask. Then click on Edit Group. You can see that you have the rectangle and the picture open to you. So now you can click on the picture. Then click on Move and Transform. Then resize. Perfect. And click back on New Project to go back to the initial page. If you want this group to have an outline, click on the group again. Select Border and Shadow. You can click on Add Border. You can make it inside center or outside. I want my border to be outside. I click on Outside. Then you can select the color of the border. It can be red, yellow, green, or blue. Choose a color that you prefer. I'm going with white. Then you're going to either reduce or increase the size of the border. I want to increase the size. Perfect. You can also go ahead to add a shadow if you want to. But I do not want to add a shadow now. So I'm just going to leave it like that. So this is how to crop a video or crop an image. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn the bell notification on for more tutorials like this.